You know, these little 22 REs are great engines Toyota put out. They've been around for a long time. And they got, not a whole lot of horsepower, probably 90 something horsepower. Um, but they got good fuel economy, got enough power to push these little Toyota 4Runners around. But I've been thinking about either, getting a remanufactured 22 RE to put in here so I wouldn't have to worry about it. And I've been kicking around the idea about putting one of those Toyota Hilux engines in here. That 22 RE's been around forever and ever, through the 80s and the 90s, and so has that little Hilux diesel. They didn't sell it in the United States, but they sold it in other countries. And it'd be awesome to put one of those little Toyota diesel Hilux engines in there. It'd have a lot more torque and get probably better fuel mileage and everything, and it'd probably drop right in. But I'm trying to find a suitable engine for the little 4Runner. I'm gonna let my daughter or my son drive this. They'll probably trading back off who gets to drive it, because if I get it set up like I wanted to, they're gonna be fighting over it, I'm sure. Should be a good little car to drive. It's those little Toyota 4Runners. They're 4x4s. They're a truck. They're up off the ground. So you got your 4x4, your truck. You got your SUV, because they got you can fit about 5 people in them. It only has 2 doors, but you can get in there. And then you have your convertible, which you can take the top off and put your little bikini top, which I've got on this one, a bikini top to kind of cover up the back seats. But it's a 4x4, a truck, a convertible, an SUV, all in the same little deal there. So you can't go wrong. And on top of that, with that 22 RE, it has got great fuel economy. So for a high school kid, or pretty much just anybody that wants a cool vehicle, you can't go wrong with these little Toyota 4Runners. And I don't see why in the world that Toyota stopped making them with the tops that come off, because Jeeps are selling like crazy. You see them all over the place. Got one in my driveway. And as far as I'm concerned, these little Toyota 4Runners are just as cool, if not cooler, than a Jeep. And with that little 4-cylinder, they'll go just as many places and do it with a lot less fuel.